Hey everyone, Steph here. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my latest luxury purchases. I've got Louis Vuitton, Dior, Saint Laurent, Chloe and more. You know, the last year and a half or so has been unprecedented times, and looking forward to the future now that we are allowed out a little bit more, can socialise again. I have decided to add to my luxury collection. I have got a bag to show you, but also fashion and accessories and shoes. And make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, because out of everything that I'm going to show you, I'm going to reveal my favourite choice out of all these purchases. Let's dive straight into this luxury unboxing then. What have I been purchasing? So these two items are from Farfetch. They are both new season. One of them is a bag, which is like a brand new style out, which I can't wait to show you because I am in love with it. And the other one is something that has been on my wish list for a very long time now. And here is the bag. It came in this beautiful like satin drawstring bag. The delivery was so quick from Farfetch. I think literally like pretty much the next day. It was ridiculous. And this piece is actually from a boutique in the Netherlands. And it's, as you can see here, it is a Chloe bag. Chloe bags I think are incredible quality. I've talked about them a few times on my channel already, but recently, as some of you already know, I've fallen in love with the woody tote bag. I love the woody sandals, just Chloe woody everything. This is brand new. I've never seen this before, and as soon as I saw it, I just absolutely fell in love and knew that I needed to get this. This is a crossbody / bum bag. So this is the Chloe mini woody bag. I absolutely love it. You can get this with black leather, but I decided to get the tan leather version just because I think it looks really great with the strap. So you've got the typical Chloe woody strap going on there, which I love. And yeah, like I said, so this is an adjustable strap. So you can wear this around your waist by adjusting and tightening the strap. Or one of my favorite ways to wear it is actually as a crossbody bag. I think the strap just looks awesome. So you have two pockets here on the front of the bag, and then you have this large zip compartment, and then inside of the bag you have two large compartments. So this is perfect if you're like me, you like to carry a purse around with you. You can put your phone in the front so you don't have to keep going into the bag. But yeah, this is definitely going to be coming on a lot of adventures with me. Before we go on to the second piece, I need to share this with you, because if you are loving this bag or a few of the pieces that I'm actually going to show you, and just designer and luxury in general, you need to check out Farfetch. It's an incredible site which basically lists items from boutiques all around the world, which means some sold out pieces, hard to find pieces, even pre-loved. They've got a pre-loved section on there you can go and purchase. So like I said, this came from a boutique in the Netherlands in record time, like literally it arrived the next day. It was absolutely incredible service. And one of the best things that I like about Farfetch is the price that you see is the price that you pay. It includes all duties and customs fees. So once you've paid, that's it. You just sit back and wait for your item or items to arrive. And I have a 10% off code for you, which I will flash on the screen down here and also in the description box, as well as linking to this bag and a few of the other items that I take you through that are available on Farfetch. So yeah, no excuses there. If you are loving these pieces, make sure you use that 10% off code. Terms and conditions do apply, and I will include them in the description as well. Now for the second item. This has been on my wish list for the longest time now, honestly. If you watch my recent London vlog, I tried the dress on, but I knew as soon as I put the dress on that I wanted the shirt even more. So this is the Jacquemus BAHIA, I believe that's how you say it, the BAHIA shirt. So this is the very quite famous one, if you will. It has a very low neckline, and then it has a kind of knot style on the front there. Lots of other designers kind of copying this style, but I've still not found one that I like quite as much as this one. The quality is incredible. I did debate whether to go for the white version or the black version, but I decided this is probably more of an evening top for me because it is so low cut. that I might wear it in the day with like a bralette. But overall, I just kind of find black easier to wear than white. But I definitely think I need this now in white as well. So which size did I get? I got this in a size 36, which I believe is a UK size 8. This is a new season piece on the Farfetch site. They've also got a white and a few other colours and fabrics as well from boutique. So make sure you use your 10% off code and go and get the pieces that you absolutely love, because 10% off when you're purchasing luxury things can be an incredible saving. Now, I bought this specifically to go with the Jacquemus shirt that I just showed you. This is from Saint Laurent. I am not a huge jewelry person. Like, I'm not like crazy about it. I often don't wear jewelry, but there's something about Saint Laurent jewelry that I literally cannot get enough of. I just really like things that are quite unusual, you know, kind of things that make people look twice. Like, is that what I think that is? So here it is. This is a long pendant, and like, it's very unusual. This is a skeleton hand with flowers at the top, and the actual like hand moves. Like, how cute is that? It is very long, but I really wanted that, especially with something low cut like that top. Okay, so let me show you how long it is. Obviously you can put it on a different chain if you wanted to, but it dangles quite low there, and I just think it's like such a cool statement piece, but not like too in your face. As you get closer, you can see like the beautiful detail of the flowers there, like the fingers move. And I do have a Chanel necklace that I like, but I feel like that's very kind of classically beautiful, whereas this is like beautiful but in a weird way and in a bit of a strange way, and I don't know why, but I quite like that. The next item then is from Louis Vuitton. I tried to get hold of these when I was in London, but they didn't have any. So I actually had to order them directly from the Louis Vuitton site. I had to keep refreshing it and waiting for these to come in stock. But they were very much inspired by decor and designer on Instagram. She started to post pictures of these amazing sunglasses. Then I went on the site to go and find them because I was like, oh my gosh, they're so lovely. And then I found this pair. So let me just show you. They come in this really cute like trunk style box, which has got Louis Vuitton written on the front. And then opening the box up, it's like suede lined, the box. It's very luxurious. They come in their own dust bag, and then they are the cat eye sunglasses. They don't have a name other than that on the website. And I went for the black ones. They do like a tortoiseshell style one, but these are just black with like a gradient on the lens. And then they have this simple LV logo on the arm, and the arm is just like a thick black. Now, I am absolutely in love with these. As soon as I saw them, I was like, I really like my sunglasses to be statement but simple, kind of like a lot of other pieces like my bags and my wardrobe. I don't want like bright green or, you know, really strangely shaped sunglasses. I want something that is just going to just go with everything, like all my outfits. I don't care if it's like the middle of winter. If I want to wear some sunglasses, I can do. So just to show you what they look like on, and you just catch like a glimpse of the logo on the side. But yeah, I am absolutely loving my Louis Vuitton cat eye sunglasses. Now I've got a purchase from Dior. Honestly, I have to say the packaging that Dior sends stuff in is so incredible. Just white and gold. I absolutely am loving it. Really, really beautiful. There's the bow on the front. Inside of here, I actually have some shoes. They come with a dust bag with Dior on. And you've got some tissue paper. And here are the Dior Espadrilles with the Toile de Jour, I think that's how you say it, print on it. And these are in the dark blue and cream colour, which I really, really loved. Now I did actually try these on when I was in London because they had them in store, but I tried a size 38, which is meant to be a UK 5-ish. And I'm a 4.5, and I said, do you have a 37.5? And they said, no, there's like none in the country. I tried the 38 on and they were too big. They just slopped off the back of my foot. So then I've been stalking the website for weeks and weeks, and the 37.5 came in stock, which is what these are. Now, unfortunately, they still do the same thing. Like, they still slop off the back of my feet, and my feet are quite slim. So I feel like they don't quite fit my foot properly. And I know, even though I could probably wear something to make them fit a little bit better, when I'm spending this much money, I kind of want them to fit perfectly. Next up is this statement piece from Y Project. I have only just recently become more familiar with Y Project, and I'm absolutely loving their stuff. You can find it again on Farfetch. This blouse is called, I believe, Coral. It's like a reddy kind of, I'd say with a slight orange undertone, but mostly it's red. It's beautifully fitted, and then it has just these incredible sleeves, which you can also get on other garments from the Y Project. But yeah, there's like lots of buttons on the sleeve, and it just all like ruffles up on your arm. When it comes to a nice blouse, like I've got the Jacquemus now, the black one, but this one is for, you know, those moments where you just want to be a little bit more bold. You would probably walk into a room and everyone would catch you because this is like bright red, but I'm absolutely loving it. And definitely like other stuff from the Y Project as well. They are on my radar now. The next two pieces are high street as opposed to luxury, but I just need to share them with you because I'm so in love. And they are both from Millen, and I don't often go on their site, but I do really like some of their clothing. Anyway, this is a very simple kind of ribbed cream top here, which I am loving. I styled this with the Chloe mini bag, and oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Pop a Balmain blazer over the top. It's like super chic and casual. So if you are looking for some kind of base layers, that's exactly what I was looking for with this. Something that I can put on with jeans that just fits really nicely. It's stretchy, it's comfortable. I believe I paid maybe like just less than £30 for this one. And the next piece is this copper coloured taffeta style jacket coat. It's quite thin, but I just absolutely, as soon as I saw this, I was like, that is autumn winter. Maybe not like the height of winter when it's really cold, but transitioning into autumn, you know, getting your like warmer colours on. I just love this. And like the taffeta fabric is very lightweight, but really like such a beautiful colour. It has a hood. It has gold hardware. From the pictures, actually, I thought it was silver, but it's not. It's gold. And then you have the kind of drawstrings here, so you can like cinch it in around the waist. You've got pockets, practical. This is the back of the jacket. It drops down lower actually on the back than the front of the jacket, so I like that. Again, I promised at the start of this video that I would reveal, out of everything that I've just shown you, which piece is my favourite. This has been really, really hard, and I'll be honest, it's kind of between two. It would be between my Louis Vuitton sunglasses, but I think the piece that's actually surprised me the most since it's arrived is the Chloe Woody mini bag. Of course it's going to be a bag. I knew that I loved it, and then it arrived, and then I started to try it on with the Millen top with my Balmain blazer over it, and I just love it. Like, it's such a nice vibe, and the way that the strap like wraps around you, it's so comfortable. It's like the most lightweight bag, and I absolutely love that because a lot of my bags are actually quite heavy. So yeah, like I said, this is definitely for me going to be an absolute workhorse. I know I'm just going to wear it like day in, day out, to the shops, out walking with friends, whatever that looks like, when I just want to carry a few things with me, and I can adjust the strap super quick to wear either as a crossbody or around my waist. As mentioned, if you like the look of any of these items that I've featured in this video today, I will pop links down below in the description box for you. And if you are on the Farfetch site, which I am now addicted to, make sure you use the 10% discount code. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I will link some of my latest video releases here for you. Enjoy.